I'm doing Bachelor of Degree in Biotechnology. And about our dance performance, it was not really actually hard for us because it's one of the most traditional dance that we do back home in South Sudan. It's one of the favorite dance because it shows protection to the people. So when we are performing this dance, it shows protection to the people. So the dance was really not hard for us. We managed to do it and it was perfect today. I'm so grateful for that the Lord made us to do it perfectly today. And I'm so happy for the people who came to see the program. And this festival is one of the best festival at Kalinga University. So we always celebrate it annually and one is the best celebration. That's all I can say. Thank you.